We're gonna go fly. Just gonna go for a little rip, I think.
Little rip.
Unless I get stuck on Timmy's time, then we're going for a long rip.
Problem is if you sign up for a little flight with me, it can turn into a long flight really, really quickly.
We'll see.
There's not too much gas in the airplane, which would be perfect for a little rip. Show Frankie some of this performance that it's got. But I say we just put some gas in it and just see where the wind takes us.
I do have a lot that I could do. But
oh, we all have a lot we could do, Frankie.
yeah.
We all got a lot we could do.
I could go make some money, but this sounds like fun.
I mean, it's clear in a million. There's a guy over here with a 180. Let's go talk to him.
All right.
Beautiful 185. This guy is a riot. Let's go say what's up.
We'll drive by.
Look at this thing. Where you been going? Where you going? What's up? What's up?
I'm going to do a test flight in Fort Pierce.
Let's go, man.
Test flight.
Yeah, for a Piper Meridian.
This is the daily commuter right here. This is how you get to and from little jobs, huh?
Right.
It's too good. I told my buddy Frankie here, we're gonna go fly the SuperCub. I'm like, man, we're gonna show up over there and he's gonna wanna go fly with us.
I shot today, but any other time, listen, as soon as the winter starts, you know.
Oh, it'll be so good.
Hitting nice. We're gonna start testing all those runways that you have.
Let's go.
And you will see this shit.
Let's go. Let's do it. See, I had to pick between my buddy Frankie here and my girlfriend. With one of these, I don't have to pick. You just take everybody. You just take everybody up with you. The SuperCub's too small.
Yes.
You gotta pick a guy or a girl. This you take
This is
everybody.
This is a plan.
This is the real deal. Well, I'm gonna get one of these one day. I need a couple more years. I don't know, Frankie.
Yeah, I think you need one of these.
I think I need one of these too. This airplane spent a lot of its life down in South America, has flown all over the United States, continues to be this man's workhorse. Stop!
So good.
This thing is coming out crazy. My goodness.
They needed new wheels.
I'm a sucker for HREs.
Yeah, me too.
Unreal. Eric's got quite the collection.
We're getting there.
Getting there. Got a
Hey, man.
GTR that's done?
It's getting tuned.
Tuned.
It's getting tuned. The E30's boosted, getting tuned.
Oh my goodness.
The 911 is done.
Oh man.
I gotta pick that up sometime, and then the Chevy, the big boy. You haven't seen it yet.
I haven't. No.
It's nasty.
This is
Yeah,
crazy.
bro.
That looks so good. You gonna start getting cease and desist letters from Ferrari anytime soon?
Sure, dude. You know how many times I've been stopped by old men when I go get coffee and tell me I ruined the car?
Oh. It's not for them. I like the wing. So this is the Liberty Walk wing.
Yeah, so I got the wing, the rear diffuser, and the front lip.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, I pussied out on putting
The wide body.
fenders on, yeah. I got nervous.
Man, the front lip's gorgeous.
Yeah, dude, the guy killed it.
Could you buy just those parts if you only wanted those parts? You gotta buy the whole kit.
I don't know, man. When
You
I
just gotta buy the whole kit.
when I spoke to the guy out of it was Mastermind through Liberty Walk, they kind of gave me one option because there's only 3 of these that they've ever made.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, you'll get around to it. Ride it like this for a little bit and then
Dude,
full
you know
wide
what?
body on it.
I'm actually negotiating a 348. I might try to squeeze that fender kit on it.
Absolute animal.
Because why not?
What a nut. What a nut.
It looks so good with me, you know?
Looks so good.
Because originally I was going to put the fenders and I was going to go straight Japanese look,
Yeah, which I love.
which I do too. It's just, this is just so different.
This is so good. It's so clean. I like that.
I think we should go red.
Gonna paint the E30.
Why not, right?
We got a turbo E30. We're gonna just paint it. I don't know. All right.
Live a little.
I like it.
All right, dude.
We'll see you, man.
Later, bud. Yep. Later, bro.
Think we're ever gonna get to go fly?
I mean, I don't know, but that sounds good. But you ever heard the 7.3?
I've heard a couple 7.3s.
All right, shh. We're trying to listen to 7.3.
Yeah. 7.3 is pretty good though. It's been just putting over there for a little while now.
I think I got it. I got the shot. Looking good.
The shot look okay?
Yeah, hold on. Wait. Oh, listen to that turbo. We need to do some inject.
I just wanted the shot.
Oh, finger in the shot.
Beautiful thing about having a hanger. Oh. Beautiful thing about having a hanger is when you show up, you pull the cars in here and they stay cool for after when you get back with the airplane. You don't have to get in a hot car. Oh.
You missed a spot.
This is gonna be our last flight with this airplane before we do our Cummins swap. We were gonna pick a 7.3. It was on the running for the engine swap, but we realized that it's just too heavy and too slow. So gonna go with 12 valve Cummins, best motor ever made.
Not true. Maybe it is true. I mean, it's a good motor. But I do like my 7.3.
7.3 garage.
Yeah.
All right, well, I forgot my little audio recording thing, so won't be able to get any cockpit audio banter, which I know is, I mean, I like listening to it. It's kind of cool. But we'll just get some flying around footage and go have a good time.
I mean, he totally could have used like way more of the runway. I guess he decided not to. Look at that, he's ripping. We were talking about the runway. And I hope he picks me up, doesn't just leave me here. Timmy stole. All right, load up. Flip her around. Hey, look cool, you like jumped it. Fucking banana.
Frankie and I just last minute decided to go stop in this little grass strip. Check it out, go get a little bite to eat. Frankie, this place looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I'd say this is a lot better than just going to another airport to get a bite to eat.
It worked out pretty good, man.
This worked out great. This is Timmy Time, classic Timmy Time right here. What do we got going on?
Got a little
over
hungry in flight.
here? Oh, let's go right here. I don't know where we're going. Hotel? Hitching post? This is sick.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Over here, OK Corral. Frank's taking his first bite of the today's special shepherd pie. Deanie's over here trying to convince me to get an old fashioned, saying it's one of the best.
Yes.
Probably in the world.
Yes.
In the world.
I could get an old fashioned.
He can get old fashioned, but I think I'm about to skip out here today, unfortunately. At least for a little while. Let's give this a bite. What do you think?
You gotta eat it.
Okay. All right, getting into it. Well, we stumbled upon possibly a pretty good wedding venue. Miss Dina is gonna turn on the lights.
Oh, man.
Gorgeous. We could have a DJ booth right there, clear the tables out, get a little dance floor. Little buffet, you roll in there, get your food, come back out, sit down. A bar in the back room, which every good wedding is gonna need. I don't know, you think Allie would like this? I'm gonna have to come fly her out here.
I think she would.
I don't know. If I had a wedding and I just told everybody, bring your guns. We could play cops and robbers over here with our fake cops and robbers. I mean, this is ridiculous. Bring your revolvers. We're shooting. Oh man. I mean, dude, this is pretty fun. Park your little golf cart. This would be kind of ridiculous if we had a wedding here. Oh, that's cool.
This is pretty sweet.
All right, look at that active runway. That's hilarious. So we got some trap and skeet, sporting clays, all kinds of stuff going on. This is the little runway they got. It's about 2,000 feet. Plenty of room for the SuperCub down there. So the north course and the south course. This place is pretty rowdy. So you just kind of get a card and you go around and you just shoot as many clays as you want. Pretty sick. We got a golf cart for the day. We're just touring around. Beautiful little drive. I drove around this whole place. This is pretty sweet. Look at that nice little SuperCub just hanging out.
Is that yours?
I mean, I'm an heir to it.
Yeah.
I'm an heir to the SuperCub. Dang, that is a good airplane. Should we drive around a little more? The depot.
Yeah, let's go.
All right, I was gonna say
right.
let's put this up, but I guess we'll.
I don't know why you're trying to leave.
I'm on Frankie time now.
Yeah, now it's Frankie time.
Cabins. That's where we want to go. We want to check out the cabins. Oh wow, there is a lot going on here. Look at this. This must have costed a fortune to make it look this old. Okay, Corral Gun Club. More stuff over there. So here are the cabins. Each cabin's got its own name up there. Leadville. That's this one. What do we got? Spring Canyon.
Spring chicken.
I mean, this is a pretty cool spot to do something. I'm not gonna try and say that one. Virginia City.
I was waiting for that.
Idaho Springs. The general store. Let's see if they have a good old-fashioned white monster in here.
Pickleball courts.
And pickleball courts.
Frankie and I just got back in the Super Cub. We took the long way home. Didn't have the GPS on our phone. Flew back just by using landmarks and window open the whole time, 80 miles an hour. So really took our time getting back and just enjoyed the scenery. What was supposed to just originally be a quick shoreline flight with Frankie turned into a, hey, let's just go out to a grass strip, do a landing, come back, to hey, we're hungry, let's go to Okeechobee. And then we were like, shoot, let's go try this other grass strip, go to this other country restaurant out in Okeechobee. Did that, it was beautiful, it was awesome. Did a little shoreline surf check. And now we got this big storm that's heading right for the airport that we just beat in. Glad you guys came along, and we'll just keep pumping out videos like this, just showing you guys day in the life. We'll see you next time.